Scala Hosting and SiteGround both offer managed VPS hosting, but which one actually delivers better value for your money? If you're considering these two providers, you're in the right place because we're going to break down the most important factors to help you make an informed decision. First, let's talk about performance. Scala Hosting is known for providing S-Panel, a custom-built control panel that's designed to rival cPanel while also being more lightweight and optimized for performance. Their VPS hosting is fast, and the fact that they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee means you can test out their speed and stability risk-free. On the other hand, SiteGround offers VPS hosting that runs on Google Cloud infrastructure, which is already known for its incredible reliability and performance. But with SiteGround, you're also paying a premium price, and while their performance is solid, it doesn't have the same value to performance ratio as Scala hosting, especially if you're on a budget. Next thing to consider is pricing. Scala Hosting's managed VPS starts at a very competitive rate. For what you're getting, it's much more affordable compared to SiteGround. With SiteGround, while they offer strong performance, the costs are on the higher side. You'll pay more for similar specs, and depending on your needs, the extra cost might not justify the performance difference. The fourth thing we should address is features. Scala Hosting includes a lot of extras with their VPS packages, like daily backups, a free website migration, and security features like free SSL, which makes it an attractive option for those who want a lot of value without paying extra for add-ons. SiteGround offers similar features, but charges extra for some advanced ones. You'll get the basics like SSL and daily backups, but for more advanced needs, SiteGround's pricing can quickly ramp up. When it comes to customer support, both services provide strong support options. Scala Hosting support is generally well-reviewed, but some users have reported slower response times compared to SiteGround's 24/7 live chat and phone support, which is known to be responsive. However, SiteGround support can feel impersonal at times, whereas Scala Hosting takes a more tailored approach. Now, scalability is where both companies shine in their own way. Scala Hosting lets you scale up or down quite easily, and their VPS plans come with a lot of flexibility in terms of resources, like CPU, RAM, and disk space. SiteGround's VPS plans, although powerful, have fewer customization options when it comes to upgrading your server resources. You're more restricted with SiteGround's VPS tiers compared to Scala Hosting. The final thing we'll mention is reliability and uptime. Both services promise solid uptime, but SiteGround tends to edge out Scala Hosting in this area due to its use of Google Cloud's infrastructure. This gives SiteGround a more robust and resilient network, while Scala Hosting's infrastructure, while decent, isn't quite as extensive. If uptime is your absolute priority, SiteGround might be a safer bet, though the difference isn't massive. To wrap things up, both Scala Hosting and SiteGround have their strengths and weaknesses, but after testing both services extensively, I'd recommend checking out Scala Hosting if you're looking for better value. Their combination of performance, pricing, and extra features makes them an excellent choice for most users. Of course, the software mentioned in this video is solid, but if you want a better alternative to managed VPS hosting, I highly recommend you take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. You'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, check it out and see for yourself what works best for your needs.